Hello. Today, let's have a comparison video about two giants on the market this year. Yeah. Apple iPhone Air versus the brand new Apple iPhone 17 Pro. Which one should you buy? That's nice and difficult because we have two really good looking devices there. Let's start with the first and the most difference between that design. At just 5.64 millimeter thin, the iPhone Air is the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever built so far. It feels incredibly light. The white light only 165 grams and features a titanium frame. This is pure minimalism, but a positive side. And on the other hand, the iPhone 17 Pro focuses on durability. It's noticeably thicker and 8.75 millimeter and heavier at 206 grams, which gives it a solid professional feel. Here, Apple opted for aluminum on the body. In short, thin and elegant versus robust and functional. Which do you prefer? I prefer the Air. In this category, of course. Next up, the display. At first glance, the devices are very similar. Both have an excellent Super Retina XDR OLED display with 120 Hz ProMotion technology. Peak brightness is an impressive 3000 nits for outdoor. The iPhone Air has a slightly larger 6.5-inch display. This is really good, while the 17 Pro is more compact at 6.3 inches. So for movie lovers and gamers, the Air is a little bit better. In terms of quality, touch they are on par with a fantastic contrast and true tone. This really comes down to the personal preferences, of course. Do you want the biggest screen or a more manageable one? I prefer the Air so far. Then performance. Yeah, performance is nice. Under the hood, both devices shares the core of the Apple's innovation, the brand new A90 Pro chip. On the paper, they're identical. Both have 6-core CPU and 16-core neural engine, but there is a crucial difference, not immediately visible in Apple's tech specs. Cooling and the GPU. GPU is a graphic processing unit. Because the Pro model, 6-core GPU, and it is equipped with a better cooling system, which makes it ideal for demanding tasks. If you have a long gaming sessions, edit 4K videos, or use AR applications extensively, the Pro models will sustain its performance better. The iPhone Air has 5-core GPU and reaches its thermal limit faster due to the extremely thin design, of course. So, iPhone Pro, of course. Yes, this is my choice now. Now, for the area that interests many of you most, the camera. And here is a clear winner, of course. The iPhone Air has an impressive but simple setup. A single 48 megapixel main camera. It takes fantastic photos, but that's all. But the selfie is a really nice camera system. The 17 Pro is a true powerhouse. It has a Pro camera system with 3 camera systems, or 3 cameras lenses. A 48 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48 megapixel telephoto camera with 8-time optical zoom and a tetra prism design. Nice. Additionally, the Pro model has a LiDAR scanner for AR applications and a better night shots. The Pro also offers more video features, including cinematic mode and spatial video captures, the Apple Vision Pro. If photography and videography are your passions, there's no substitution for the iPhone 17 Pro. And I'm on the same page. The 17 Pro is the better, the workman's friends. And let's move on to more important points, the battery and price. The iPhone 17 Pro has a significantly longer battery life. It reaches up to 31 hours of video playback, according to Apple, while the iPhone Air is at 27 hours. So that's okay. This is due to the Pro model slightly higher capacity and better heat dissipation. And of course the price, the iPhone Air is the more affordable option. It starts with under $1,000. The iPhone 70 Pro, however, starts at $1,199, a price difference of nearly $200, which is justified primarily by the separate camera and longer battery life for the Pro models. So, let's go. Which one is the right for you? Choose the iPhone Air if you want an extremely thin, light and elegant smartphone. If the basic functionals are important to you, you don't do intensive photography or video editing, and the sleek design is your priority. It's the ideal smartphone for the style-conscious everyday users. And choose the iPhone 70 Pro if you need the maximum power and flexibility. If you're a passionate photographer and videographer, a serious gamer, or a computationally intensive apps, the better camera, stronger battery, and more stable performance makes it a perfect tool for anyone who wants the absolute best on the market. Yeah. Both are outstanding smartphones, but they were designed for different users. The choice is entirely up to you, of course. Let us know in the comments which iPhone you prefer and why. And give me a positive feedback. Please subscribe me. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.